That right there, that's target practice. That's not training for a fight. To the best of your ability, at your range, at the location where you train, you should train to fight with your pistol. Yes, you can shoot targets with this pistol. You can plink with it. You can have all sorts of fun with it at the range, but that's not training for a fight. Get involved in things like IDPA. Buy a CERT pistol or laser ammo or a UTM system and train to fight with your pistol. In a fight, you need to move, shoot, and communicate. You're never going to be standing still when someone's attacking you and trying to kill you. Don't think that going to the range, burning up a box of 50 rounds of ammo, and going home prepares you to defend yourself. It does not. It's a fun day at the range and I really like it. But when it comes to training for a fight, you need to train just like you would be in a real fight. Move, shoot, communicate. Those are the things that will keep you alive when someone comes to take your life. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. If you like these videos, please share them with all your friends. And remember to subscribe to this page. I'll give you more great information every week. And click that notifications bell up in the corner. We'll notify you every time we come out with a new video.